was saying that the motor was not gonna be in the car today?
I'm building my motor, baby. I'm doing it. I'm doing this. My first one. Most progress we've had this whole time. But it's been a couple weeks since you've seen me work on the Civic. I've been super busy doing all kinds of things. But today, we're working on the Civic. And we might get the engine in the car today. I have a whole ton of race car parts that are boxed up that I'm gonna go over with you guys, show you what I picked up. If you guys are new to the channel, welcome. If you're returning, thank you for watching. Please make sure to drop down, hit that subscribe button, hit that like button if you like the content. Make sure to consider subscribing. You don't have to, but it'd be cool, it'd be great. You get to see more cool car content. Hopefully today, we can put something in here. Hopefully. I think I have all the pieces necessary. I probably don't, but I think I do. And that would be sick if we did. I'm over here at the shop with Bebby. He's in the background welding up some stuff for a customer. These are all the turbo parts that I have ordered. So here we have competition. A little unboxing section here. Competition stage 4 6-puck string clutch and pressure plate, rod bearing, and hardware kit. Here we have OEM crank bolt from Honda, brand new. OEM engine mount. And here's a little tiny timing belt tensioner collar that we need to center the timing belt tensioner so we can time everything and there's no belt or no timing belt walk. And here we got the big boy, the one and only, the thing that matters most. This here is the yin yang spinny thing, boys. This is a GT 3582, straight from China, made of Chinesium. Spoolie boy to go on the Civic. I can't wait. I can't wait. We are going turbo, boys. Officially, we're going turbo. I have a turbo. In this box here, we have the exhaust mantle turbo manifold, gaskets, turbo gasket hardware. And then over here in this big old box, we got our massive intercooler. This is 33 by 14 by 3, I want to say. So we have a little collection of parts put together. I'm going to work on the timing of the engine first. We're going to get this collar put on and get the timing squared away. And then after that, we got to mount the flywheel, the clutch, pressure plate, get all of that put together, hopefully mate the trans to it. And then after that, we just put the engine mounts on and maybe we can drop it in the car today. So this here is that tensioner I was speaking about. We have the manual tensioner that sets tension on this little arm here. But this little guy right here, open him up. This little guy right here slides in there, spaces it out, and centers it so that we can have it nice and squared up to where we don't have any timing belt deflection. It just slides in there like that. I've never timed an engine by myself before. So I'm just gonna sit here and struggle with this shit for like an hour. I gotta learn. I have to pull that one down and then put the belt on and let it pull it back. Okay. Alright.
You gotta have like 3 eyes at the same time.
Yeah. It's so crazy that everything I read forum wise, literally they just said run this down as tight as you can with your fingers, which makes me so uncomfortable.
No man, you run it down, with your fingers and then just
quarter turn lock it. Yeah, that's the. And this spins that way. Spins. So I need to turn opposite, right? Should probably pull the spark plugs out so there's not compression, right?
Yeah, it'll be way easier.
Trying to pull it out with The spark plug's in it.
Give her a couple rotations and see where we're at, baby. Guys, when you're timing this, you need these 2 marks, or these 4 marks to be level with the head. These arrows here up, and then I don't know if you'll be able to see it, but there's a little tiny dot right here, and that crank dot need to line up. That's TDC, and that's TDC there. I'm gonna give it a couple more rotations, and we will know for sure who these guys are. And match right there. Boom, we're good. Give it another one. I'm so excited. I've never timed an engine before by myself. I've always had help from somebody else. And granted, Bevy is helping, but this is all me, baby, all me.
For all you guys out there, you know, locals asking, oh, how much is Bevy charging you to build your motor? I'm building my motor, baby. I'm doing it. I'm doing this. My first one.
Well, he's doing his motor over there. I'm over here doing this. So I ain't helping him out. I'm just, you know, guiding him the right way.
But if you want a motor built or any custom fabrication done, that's the man right there. Bevy's Performance, I'll have him linked in the description below. If you need anything done like this, you're local, he's the man. And he welds. Wait till you see my intercooler piping, my exhaust, and all that is done. The weld's about to be crispy, boys. So it looks like our timing is dead on. I need to go ahead and lock down the tensioner, put all these bolts in place, and the motor is timed, baby. I'm so excited. And you know what's best, Bevy? We got no walk.
What's up?
We got no timing belt walk.
You see the difference doing things right?
Yeah, literally that one collar, man. Like, whenever I got this engine, this little collar thing that I just put in here wasn't in it, and this walk blocker ate like the whole side of the timing belt off. And now that I've got this right, I've got the walk blocker, I've got everything like OEM, new, water pumps new, tensioners new, walk blocker, all of that's new and correct and OEM. It just works. We're in time. Dampers on, walk blocker on, this side post mount on. I took off these guys, the 1320s, because I kind of want to mock up the turbo and just see how it looks hanging off the front of this thing. I want to see what that turbo looks like mounted on the thing. So we're going to mock it up. We're going to see what this looks like. I'm freaking excited, guys. I'm pumped. I'm freaking pumped. Mount this way. We have intake, we have charge pipe, intake side, whatever. But the exhaust, I'm doing a hood dump, so it'll come up right here, or over a little bit and up. But the alternator sits right here. So I don't have the alternator bracket to mock up the alternator to figure out where exactly this goes. But this is mocked up. Boys, this is the moment I have been waiting for months. Weeks, actually. It's been like 6 weeks. My turbo showed up so long ago, but this is the first chance that I've got over here to actually put it on the motor, and I want to get it off of the engine stand, get this guy mounted onto the flywheel, which I have to like DIY at home, resurface real quick because it rusted from sitting, so I'm gonna have to sand that down and clean it, mount it, get that there, get this on there, get the transmission on there, and then boom, we can drop it in the car. 3:30. Still got plenty of time. But I love the way this looks. It's gonna be my first turbo car, bro. I'm excited. I officially have like a turboed engine.
Hey, usually a lot of people start with single cam. You're starting with a 2.2.
I'm starting with
liter,
with the big Johnny.
You're gonna have some power on you.
We're going in there, boy. The streets of Lakeland ain't ready. That is if this thing starts up and run. I did put it together, so I don't know about all that.
What's up with that attitude, bro?
Ah, dude, I don't know, man.
What's up with that attitude? You gotta be
I don't know, man.
No.
I got confidence. All right.
It'll be all right. We got our flywheel here. Just surface rust from sitting.
Yes, I know I'm supposed to take it to a machine shop and have it refinished and this, that, and the other, but we ain't got that type of time. We ain't got that type of money. It's budget build, baby. It's at home DIY, do it myself, make the car work and see what happens. So I got Scotch-Brite on the die grinder there, and I'm gonna take and clean up the mating surface for this clutch and move forward. So now it's raining on us. We may be able to pull the front end of the car in here and do it, but I don't know. We got our flywheel is relatively resurfaced. Thing is, I didn't want a uniform surface all the way around because I need something for that clutch to bite onto. If it's all circular, then it'll spin, it won't bite. So I try to get everything to cut outwards. I may take a little bit of sandpaper, clean it up a little more. But for the most part, an OEM flywheel that's 25 years old, that it's gonna work. It's like, it might not be the greatest thing, but it's gonna function. And that's like my biggest concern, is making sure it works. So for the meantime, it's just getting the stock flywheel, clean it up myself, throw it in there. If I choose to use the lightweight when I have, I'm thinking that I'm gonna need the rotating mass, the rotating weight to stay in boost. So my RPMs don't drop too much, because this is a larger turbo. It's a GT3582. This is a 2.2. Read a bunch of forums and they're all saying stick with OEM. So I'm going OEM. It's the first time my engine's been off the stand since I brought it here, baby.
This down here, bro, this just looks like a whole unit. Like, it's just huge. It's just a big old girthy boy now.
Flywheel's torqued, clutch is on, pressure plate's torqued. Everything's where it's supposed to be. Next step, trans and throwout bearing, which luckily enough, competition clutch sends you a new throwout bearing with everything. So super excited for that. Pop that Johnny in there, there won't be any chatter or squeaking from that.
That's it. Trans is mated. Now we're running the half shaft. We're getting everything ready just to drop this Johnny into that car today. Alright, half shaft is on, trans is on. It is assembled. I mean, I could hang the little turbo off the front, but the less weight on this motor right now, the better. But as soon as we're ready to put this thing in the car, it starts raining again.
Welcome to Florida.
Welcome to Florida, guys. It's rained three times today now. 3 times. And it's not like we're trying to get anything done, you know? No, not like nothing important is going on. We're just goofing off. We don't need any dry weather. It'd be crazy if we did.
All right, it's still raining, but we're still sending. So I'll put you guys on a tripod and get you right there. I'm gonna do my best, but it's going up. It's going in the car today.
Just like that.
Whoa, I about went down. I caught that water. The motor's technically inside the car right now. Technically. Is it bolted in? No. Is it sitting in there? Yes. The most progress we've had this whole time. But hey, if it stops raining, we'll bolt it in and engine will be in the car, baby.
So you need to line up that mount there, and then it's stuck in what? On the cart. In the friggin' cart. Who was saying that the motor was not gonna be in the car today?
The motor's in the car today, baby.
Dude.
She's in.
Hey.
Officially, she's in. We need to get it up and get the stuff out from underneath it because I want to know that the motor is hanging there on its own. Ooh, the motor's in the car, baby! Look at this, boys. She's in there. Hold on, we gotta get the turbo in here and sit it in here just for looks, boy. Holy. Dude, I am so freaking... I can't even explain how excited I am right now. I am freaking pumped, baby. We got an engine in the car. It's been weeks and weeks and weeks and weeks and weeks of hard work. And they in there. Hey man, I just wanted to say thank you. Like realistically, like thank you. Like,
No problem, man.
damn, so we got an engine in the car today, boys. We got a motor in the car, dude. Oh! And a turbo on the motor in the car.
Yep.
It's all coming together, baby. It's all coming together. I'm so freaking hyped right now, bro. The H22A is officially in the EK. The turbo sits where it needs to be. The clutch is in. The trans is in. All the goodies are there. And now all of the hard work is done. It's just buttoning everything up, wiring everything, which I have the Wireworks like semi-tuck harness, which should be relatively easy. I still need to get injectors. For the most part, it's coming along quickly. Now, like from this point forward, axles, wiring, fuel system, figure out an exhaust, figure out intercooler piping. I still have my intercooler. We didn't put it on that on today because we didn't have time. But the motor's in the car, guys. I'm beyond excited. Huge shout out to Bevy. His channel will be linked in the description below. He is the man. If you need anything built, fabricated, put together, whatever, give him a call if you're local. I'm gonna cut the video here and just take it in. This has been a long time coming, a lot of hard work. Thank you guys so much for watching. Thank you guys so much for supporting, and I will see y'all on the next one. Peace.